Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. You're asked to help again. You're invited to something you don't want to attend. You're offered a great opportunity, but it drains your time, your peace, your focus. And still, you say yes. Not because you want to, but because you feel like you should. Today, the Stoics remind us of something powerful. Saying no is not selfish, it's self-command. Let's explore the art of saying no, and the Stoic practice of boundaries that protect your energy, time, and values. Part 1. Why we struggle to say no. We fear disappointing others, being judged, missing out, seeming unkind or ungrateful. But every yes that violates your truth is a no to your integrity. The Stoics teach us, you are not here to please, you are here to live with purpose. Marcus Aurelius didn't rule Rome by pleasing everyone. Epictetus didn't teach wisdom by blending in. Seneca didn't protect his peace by giving it away. Part 2. The Stoic foundation of boundaries. Stoicism is about self-ownership, clarity of values, right action, not reaction. Saying no is not about rejecting others, it's about remaining loyal to your role, your duty, and your inner clarity. Epictetus said, keep your attention focused entirely on what is truly your own concern. That's not cold, that's courageous. Part 3. What healthy boundaries sound like? A Stoic no is not dramatic, it's calm. Thank you for thinking of me. I can't take this on right now. This isn't aligned with my current priorities. I need time for what matters most to me. You don't owe people over-explanation. You owe yourself honest living. Part 4. When to say no. The Stoic way? Say no when. It pulls you away from your principles. It steals time from your true calling. It's rooted in guilt, not generosity. It compromises your peace or dignity. Say yes when. It aligns with your virtues. It serves others without costing your center. It comes from choice, not fear. Seneca wrote, a good character when established becomes a natural law for you. Boundaries protect that character. Part 5. How to build Stoic boundaries without guilt. 1. Define what matters first. If you don't know your yes, you'll say yes to everything. Each morning, remind yourself, what are my top 3 priorities today? What must I protect? 2. Practice saying no with kindness. Start small. Decline a meeting. Postpone a message. Say not today without apology. Build the muscle gently but firmly. 3. Watch your motives. Before saying yes, ask, am I acting from virtue or fear? Would I say yes if no one judged me? What is this costing me? The Stoic doesn't act from compulsion. They act from intention. 4. Accept that not everyone will understand. And that's okay. You're not here to be liked by all. You're here to live well. Marcus wrote, when you have the impulse to act, ask yourself, would a wise person do this? If not, walk away with peace. Part 6. Stoic quotes that strengthen your no. If someone succeeds in provoking you, realize your mind is complicit in the provocation. Epictetus. He who does not know what the world is does not know where he is. Marcus Aurelius. Associate with people who are likely to improve you. Seneca. Let your no come from wisdom, not withdrawal, from virtue, not avoidance. Part 7. Saying no is saying yes to. Phobos. Focus. Presence. Self-respect. Your mission. A life without resentment. A weak yes leads to exhaustion. A strong no creates peace. Conclusion. Your peace is a responsibility. You were not born to please. You were born to live deeply, love wisely, and protect what matters most. So next time you feel the pressure to say yes, pause, breathe, and ask, does this honor who I am or distract me from it? If not, say no, calmly, clearly, and unapologetically. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this video helped you reclaim your boundaries, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who gives too much at the cost of their peace. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.